Have you ever wondered why old habits feel impossible to break? Or why stress seems to stick no matter how hard you try to relax? The truth is, it's not your fault. Your brain has been wiring itself for years, but the good news, you can change it. This is called neuroplasticity. And here's the catch, it's not magic and it's not instant. This is the topic of today's video. I'm Professor Shania Rathod, a psychiatrist in the United Kingdom. I post interesting videos on well-being weekly on my YouTube channel. So please don't forget to subscribe and you will not miss out on the next one. I know Jake, a 35-year-old office worker. Every morning he wakes up, checks his phone, scrolls through his emails, gets stressed about work and snaps at his kids before breakfast. That pattern? His brain has a highway built for stress and frustration. Every repetition makes the road wider, faster, and automatic. I also know Sarah, who's trying to learn the guitar at 40 years of age. At first, her fingers stumbled over the strings. It felt awkward, frustrating, almost impossible. But every day she has practiced, her brain has quietly been building new pathways, strengthening connections, rewiring circuits that she has never used before. Why should this matter? Well, here's the thing. This isn't just about hobbies or habits. It affects your mood, relationships, focus, how you react under stress, and mental health. Negative thought loops, impulsive reactions, or cognitive biases like assuming the worst. These are just circuits your brain has learned over time. Similarly, anxiety or even neurodiversity like attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, autism, they are not defects. It is the brain wired differently. And just like Jake's stress highway, you can reroute them. But let's keep it real as well. Neuroplasticity has limits. It is strongest in childhood. Adults can still change, but it takes more effort and repetition. Chronic stress, trauma, or sleep deprivation makes rewiring harder. Your brain literally struggles to form new connections when it's exhausted or anxious. Some brain changes, like those linked to neurodegenerative conditions like Alzheimer's dementia, limit how effectively these pathways can form. Yes, so it's not as simple as think positive and poof. It's more like renovating an old house. You can't tear down the walls instantly. You work slowly, you fix broken wiring, you add new pathways, and over time the house starts to feel different. But here's where it gets exciting, and these strategies are known to help. Firstly, small changes matter. Sarah didn't master guitar overnight, but 5 minutes a day built new circuits. You can start with just one tiny habit, like a short morning walk or a 5-minute meditation, and over time you will see change. Secondly, physical activity. A quick run, a stretch, or even dancing to a song boosts brain chemicals that help your neurons grow. Thirdly, sleep hygiene. That late night binge scroll, your brain can't consolidate learning or form new pathways without rest. So try having a consistent sleep routine. Number 4, mindfulness or meditation. Even pausing for a few deep breaths before responding can slowly rewire stress and impulsivity pathways. Neuroplasticity means your brain is always listening, always learning, always under construction. Every habit, thought, or reaction is building or reinforcing wiring. So, the exciting part is that you get to choose what gets stronger. Want to be calmer, more focused, or learn something new? That's your project. One small step at a time, repeated daily, rewires your brain. Not instantly, not magically, but it works. Please subscribe to my channel if you've enjoyed today's video. The more subscribers I have, the more YouTube gives me the ability to make more creative videos. Like it, share it, tell it. Tell it to all the people you know, and thank you for watching.